PrograPrint, driven by a passion for technology. PrograPrint is a complete 3D printing solution which has been specifically developed to meet the requirements of dental laboratories and the needs of dental technicians. Our extensive knowledge of dental laboratory technology, gained over many decades, has served as the basis for the development of this system. PrograPrint was born out of a desire to provide dental technicians with the equipment they need to achieve precision 3D printing results. Every single component of PrograPrint is optimally integrated in the system. Meticulously designed optical parts and special electronic components ensure reproducibility and accuracy in 3D printing. PrograPrint offers the ultimate in engineering for modern dental laboratories. We adhere to the highest industry standards, not only in the development but also in the manufacture of our products. We always focus on providing the best possible quality. Every manufacturing step is carried out by skilled technicians. Every move is precise. This precision is reflected in our end products. We use high-precision measuring instruments to calibrate our machines. We carry out a multitude of tests to ensure the dependable high quality of our products. The test results guide us during the development phase and enable us to consistently optimize our products until we have achieved a result that fulfills the exacting quality requirements of dental laboratories. All the test series are conducted using high-precision measuring and monitoring methods in order to ensure impeccable printing results. The components of PrograPrint system all work together as a system for utmost accuracy and detail in 3D printing. PrograPrint, engineered to meet dental needs.